a grant our court of appeal. The court of appeal the statu quo ante must maintain until the final determination of the seat. So statu quo ante alone stay of execution here. Copy it from the court of appeal. Copy it. Okay, ben sharp. The only a grant in our many cover yours, and I just said, now my two mancha make any be what do you know? Look at sight I'm content. Look at sight I'm content here. Need to say, need many you are catching what is here, program is here. The way I fit a man, I feel good. The one I'm a fair will content here. Content here long, can you put a that is fifth respondent, right? That is fifth respondent. It is near Ibonte, Besse Manche. What can I fit and assert the content? Oh, labor, way, a affidavit to opposition, make a Liaka Yesani. They were only a fearly. They were caught a care near a freely. She ate half in a cardon, many woman chair. Annie, I'm a sign bond for 1 year. I can't feel any big go. No, now, one more, now find out, no, yeah,